Welcome back, class. This video will discuss your lesson steps in 6 easy steps and then the final grading criteria for your assignment. This is a good video to watch and then even rewatch during lesson production in case you get stuck on the lesson steps or you are not sure if you're doing everything within your means to get the best grade possible. So I'll make this video short, and all this stuff will be discussed at length in your lesson demonstration video in your day 1 folder. But a quick overview for your lesson steps, you can just draw, or you're going to start by drawing your horizon line across the middle of your paper. Then you're going to place 2 vanishing points on your horizon line, one on the left, one on the right. And then you'll draw a corner edge of your building, a vertical line that just goes straight up. Once you've drawn that, you'll then angle the sides of your building from the top and bottom of your corner line towards its respective vanishing point. And again, this is going to be much more clear in the lesson demonstration video, but the main thing to remember is that if the line goes left, it angles to the left. And if the line goes right, it angles to the right vanishing point. So just if it goes left, it angles to the left point. If it goes right, it angles to the right point. So please make sure you keep that in mind. Once you've angled your buildings, you'll then connect and close your lines that are angling towards their vanishing point. And then lastly, you'll just add interior design details to each object, such as doors, windows, textures, things like that. You are also going to be adding color as well. I forgot to add that step, but your project must be in full color using color pencils as well. For your final grade, you want to make sure that your entire paper is filled. That is always a must. Then you want to make sure that all your lines and angles and spaces follow the rules of 2-point perspective. Then you want strong craftsmanship. All of your lines demonstrate use of a ruler. All your lines are straight and clean. Every building has interior details. And lastly, you have a level of originality and creativity that personalizes your artwork and engages the viewer. So you want to make it different. You want to make it your own. You want to connect to your piece. Make it original and different from everyone else's. And then, of course, making sure that you have it in full color. I forgot to put that here, but it does need to be in full color. All right, so that's it. That's your lesson overview. Please feel free to come back and click on this video and pause it if you just want to read through the steps in the final grade. But again, do remember to make sure it's in full color using color pencil. All right, everyone, I will see you all in the day 1 folder, and I look forward to starting this project with you all. Okay, bye, guys.